Delaying an API call, or debouncing, is a great way to build an efficient search feature. Using this method can help prevent unnecessary requests every time the user types. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to complete an async search bar using debouncing. With our view model ready, we can now hook it up to our view. Open Search View. Make a new line after search text. Private flat search view model equals search view model. This view model will hold our titles and error if there is one. Let's complete the search bar logic first. Scroll down. After .searchable, add .task. Select the one with ID and action. For ID, add search text. Tab. Press enter to complete the closure. This task modifier will rerun the task inside anytime search text changes. Search text is bound to the search bar. Therefore, anytime the user types, a new API search will trigger. Inside the code block, type try !await task.sleep 4.milliseconds 500. This adds half a second delay after the user stops typing. Without the delay, our API will get called after every keystroke, which isn't ideal. Make some space. If task.isCancelled, return. Here, we exit early if the task was cancelled to avoid running outdated searches. That can happen if the user keeps typing after stopping, causing the text to change mid-task. Now we can add our API call. Await search view model dot get search titles by search by movies movie TV for search text. We use await because the function is asynchronous, meaning it runs in the background. The call will look for either a movie or TV show, depending on the mode, with the search text. This completes our search bar logic. We also need to add the API call when toggling between a movie or TV search. Highlight and copy line 51. Scroll up to the trailing toolbar icon. Add a task block after toggling the boolean. Paste the API call in it. The task block allows us to call an asynchronous function inside a place that usually doesn't support await. In our case, inside a button tab. Just a couple of more things before we can test. Scroll up. Delete the titles inside for each. Replace instead with search view model dot search titles. We can use these titles as they will get populated with our API calls. Don't forget to delete the titles property as our sample data is no longer needed. The last thing is to display our error if one happens. The best place to have this error is right before our lazy V grid inside the scroll view. Add a couple lines before then. If let error equals search view model dot error message. Inside the braces, text error dot foreground style dot red dot padding dot background dot ultra thin material dot clip shape dot rect corner radius 10. We added some styling to our error text. If let is great here, as if no error exists, the view will get drawn like normal. That completes this view, and we're ready to test. Please update your API keys inside API config.json and hit Command R. Our app is up and running. Click on the search tab. Nice. Our grid view populates with default titles. I'll try to search Harry Potter. Good stuff. Let's cancel. And some default movies pop back up. Toggle for a TV show. Harry Potter. Now returns TV shows. I'll search instead for one of my favorite TV shows, Breaking Bad. There it is. I do want to show how the error looks like. Off screen, I'll delete the movie database API key and run the app again. The app is back up with no API key, and we have an error on the Home tab. We didn't style this error, and it shows. Navigating to search, the error looks much better here. It scrolls up and down with our view. I do want to talk about some ways this screen can improve to wrap up. If we search for something that doesn't give results, an error saying no search results would be nice. In addition, a default image when the titles don't load would be better. Right now, we just have a progress circle that doesn't stop spinning when this happens. We won't be adding these features, but if you want to try, please feel free. Navigation is all that's left to finish this section, and that will be the topic of the next video. Thank you for watching.